sight right now. This is our flotilla. We've got the lead boat and several others that are joining us. We're all making our way up to Anaconda as a group. It's going to be a real treat. Beautiful weather, clear skies, just a few little clouds. Kim's having a great time over there. There's a few clouds off in the distance, but very nice, perfect for sailing. And making good speed right now. It's like about 5.5 knots on a nice beam reef.